Don't get scammed. There are many scammers with various scams, all with the goal of taking your hard-earned money. Hi, my name's Adam. I've been in the IT industry for a long time, and unfortunately, I've had to recover information and people's systems after they've been scammed, and I've heard too many stories. So I want to get information out there because this is your best defense against scammers is your knowledge, right? Because you can get scammed so many ways, but if you are a bit more aware of what scams they run and how they work, perhaps when a scammer contacts you, you'll know about it and you'll be able to stop them in their tracks. When I think about scammers, it reminds me of criminals waiting around a dark corner in an alleyway to take someone's money and rob them blind. The difference is, these days, you can be safe in your home with your family and still get scammed and still get taken for all of your hard-earned money. Maybe you received a pop-up message on your computer saying that something like your antivirus is out of date, or you received an email saying your antivirus is out of date. Like first, before you even don't contact them. Again, don't click the link. Don't ring the number that's provided. First, check to make sure you've even got the antivirus program that they're talking about. If you don't have it installed, it's going to be a scam because you're not going to get a message from an antivirus company where you don't actually have their antivirus. How do they have your contact details to contact you if you're not registered with them? Doesn't make sense. That's because it's a scam. All right. If you do have that antivirus installed, again, don't use the link. Don't use the number they provide. Go to a search online, see if it's the same number. If it is, yeah, sure, give that a call. But use your contact details that you find with your search. Never use the link.